Welcome back to my channel. In this video guide I will show you how to fix the Sinking City 2 game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on black screen or several other issues on PC. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Both minimum as well as recommended requirements are mentioned over here. Before you launch the game, you are suggested to check all the requirements and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to allow the game through Firewall. So for that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for Windows security. After that, you have to click on Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Allow an app through Firewall. After that, click on Change settings and here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If it is not listed or you cannot find it, go to the Allow another app. After that, go to Browse. Go to the game folder, select the game where your game, select the application and after that add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. For that, you have to go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties and in the general under launch option, you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if this also doesn't work, then you have to enter clear PSO driver cache in the launch option. So I will mention this in the description. So simply paste it over here and after that check if the game is launching or not. But if this also doesn't work, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the game exe file, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if you can play it. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, you have to go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to clear PSO driver cache from the game folder. So you have to press Windows plus R and type %local app data %. Hit enter. After that you have to find the folder name, the Sinking City 2 or similar to it. After that, go to the saved folder, open config folder and you have to search for Windows no editor or Windows. Here you have to delete the derived data cache folder. After that, restart your PC and launch the game once again to check if it's working. If this doesn't work, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, you have to go to the search option. From here, you have to search for device manager. And after that, you have to expand the display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache. This will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam, confirm it. After that, log into Steam and again try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have already given the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it, and here you will get a repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes, wait for some time. Once you get setup successful message, close this. After that you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if your PC has installed any antivirus software, then you can suffer from crashing or other issues while playing the game. So you are suggested to disable your antivirus software before you launch the game, and after that try to play it. Next method is to move the game to SSD. If your game is not installed on SSD, then also you can suffer from several kinds of issues while playing the game. So you are suggested to move the game to SSD if it is not installed on SSD, and after that try to launch the game. You can easily check it. Go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that here you have to click on storage option, and here you will find whether your game is installed on SSD or on other drive. So if the game is on another drive, you have to select it and then click on move option. After that launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. For that go to the search option. From here you have to search for check for updates option. So this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. And once your Windows is updated, now launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that go to the search option, search for task manager. Now here under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select them and close them. So after selecting it, right click on it and then click on end task. This will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that launch the game and check. Next is to install DirectX. So for that I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on your system. After that you have to install it, and after installing it, now log into the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that go to the search option. From here you have to search for graphics settings. After that you have to add your game to the list over here. So for that click on add desktop app. Now go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now once you add the game to the list, here you have to select your game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the Sinking City 2 game. For that you have to go to, after that select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and then click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from your PC. After that you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall the Sinking City 2 game, and finally click on the play button to check if the game is working now. So these are few solutions suggested to fix the Sinking City 2 game crashing at startup, crash to desktop, stuck on black screen error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.